What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kendall B and I am back with another vlog. I'm not naked guys, I'm about to go climb the mountain and it is dumb hot outside, so I am wearing my sports bra. But we're about to go climb Stone Mountain and yeah, it's so boring inside. Like I literally am losing my mind. I am being safe though, you know, outside it's not much, it's a mountain. Like I'm not in a closed area, I'm not gonna be walking by nobody, so yeah, I just need to go get some fresh air, get some great scenery. So if you're ready, go ahead and smash that like button, be sure to subscribe. Let's go have some fun today. I brought my lunch, I'm super prepared. It's dumb hot. I brought some hot chips. Okay, so I think she took her vitamins because I can't find them. Got chips. Oh, it's your mama's? Yeah. I got me some fruit. She was sharing with me. Yes. We trying to get all of our health stuff together because it's a little risky. I ain't trying to faint on this mountain. I ain't trying to catch corona on this mountain. We're talking about faint. Well, I'm just saying. Oh, you talking about because you took that pill? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that is a reason. Oh, hell no, please. No, Aaliyah, don't faint on this hill. I swear. That'll be the scariest day of my life. Oh, it's hot, it's hot. But okay, I'll catch y'all later. But I was just letting y'all know that we're prepared, we're ready. I took my 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C just now. I took my elderberry syrup this morning. Aaliyah's taking her organic lozenge. Look at her, she don't even like it. I don't even know. It's gonna be good, but yeah, I'll catch y'all in a minute. Ooh, my hands are sweating. Wow, actually. Really? Yeah. Probably a year or two. Yeah, oh, it's so pretty. So walk up trail. Did it say this way? I don't know. No. We just got to the mountain or whatever. We actually stopped at Walmart and got different sports bra because honey, ooh, hold up, get a few pictures in, so we went and changed our sports bras because yeah, I need a little support and stuff. So this is the one I got. You find where to go yet? No. Okay, what does this map say? This map is not even a map. Oh yes it is. Where are we? Oh my gosh, that mountain look huge. Aaliyah, please don't hit this man. Lord. Okay, we are. Okay, I'm thinking we're going right. No, we're in Southwoods. Okay, so that's right here. And what's the name of the mountain? Are we driving around this? We're gonna have to get out and ask somebody. So that's where you go. I know that's where you always. That's where my family always park, right here, and we can just walk up to the mountain. But that's not where I always park. Look, you go up that way. Walk up trail. What you think walk up trail mean? The trail? What do you think they walking up to? They're walking up to the mountain. It's hot, but we need to stretch. We need to stretch? Yeah, I know I do. I know about you. I stretched this morning actually, but we can stretch again.
Dice is on the beat.
The signature gum post on the mountain. So disgusting, but yeah. So I gotta take a break. Getting a little tired, y'all. Let's go over there. where we can take pictures. Look at this view, you guys. Money full of you. My nana full of you. Girl, don't get this copyright on the mountain. Tell me before you done talking, yeah. Are you done talking? The next scenery. He's singing on the mountain. How beautiful. But I don't really want to vlog too much while I'm walking up of it because I don't want to drive my camera. Huh?
Hair is sweating out.
Ugh. This rail right here is honestly the truth. Once you go up that, we can't even see under it. He's about to disappear after this, watch. It's no joke. Made it to basically the top. This is where you get all the views. The top is really all the way up there. If you look right there, you can see Atlanta, the city. You can see? Right there is Midtown. Where's Midtown? Right there.
Right in the middle right there. And over there,
Atlanta,
I was about 2 big buildings.
Midtown. Just about down. I'm about to bust my butt half the way up, so yeah, ain't no recording coming down, but we climbed it pretty quick and we're done. I don't feel like I'm about to pass out, so I would say I'm a bit more fit than I was before. But yeah, during this quarantine break, I definitely need to get my body together because this is the perfect time to work out. I don't have any excuse. Ooh, this light is blessed. Yes. I just love taking my time. Like, I think taking your time when you're walking up the mountain really helps because I'm stopping, I'm checking out the scenery, and you know, that's how I get my breath in.